Yes, we're on the road. We're headed to the Alpujarra region in Spain, to a little village in the middle between Granada, Malaga, Almeria and the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Some friends of ours have recently purchased a house over there and did ask me to come over and restore some doors and windows and do some other little woodworking jobs. Our friends Thysa and Wijnand are setting up a artist residence and guest house in the little village of Polopos.
Op zoek naar de zee. Strand. Plastic.
The population of the village was shrinking and there were 60 people left. By means of a TV program where 5 couples were invited to live there and start a business there to develop the little village again into a more lively place. They were one of the contestants and in the end won the competition of the TV show. We have been on the road for 2 days. We stopped in Sevilla and spent the night there in our new converted van, and everything works out really well. We're a bit heavy to climb the mountains with the van because of all the tools I've brought with me, but for now I can say it works great. Hi, welcome back on the Not Just Sawdust YouTube channel. Not from the workshop, but from a little village in the south of Spain called Polopos. We are here to help our friends to restore their house, and I'm going to do some woodworking jobs. Well, of course. We're going to try to use as much as the original materials as possible. But first we're going to make a shelf for the bathroom sink and the tap, and we're going to do that out of 2 pieces of pine we bought at a local DIY store, and I think that's the only solution we could come up with. Instead we didn't find old wood, so let's see whether we can pull this off. And this is where our first video ends about our stay in the little village called Polopos. 800 meters high on a mountain with a very steep 10-kilometer road up to it, but our van made it, although we were heavily loaded with all the tools. In the next video we'll try to finish the bathroom shelf and show you a lot of pictures about all the other projects we did. We didn't make much video footage, but at least we made some photos. For now I would say do some woodworking, it's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, it's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. Até logo.